So let's say you're driving along, you hit somebody, and you're at fault.
Yeah.
They're injured. They go to the hospital. You have up to the minimum now, the $35,000 per person in the other vehicle.
Right.
And then the total of that accident will max out at $65,000 that will be covered.
Oh.
So if you're looking at wanting to insure the vehicle, your own vehicle, if you're at fault in an accident, that's when your comprehensive and collision deductibles would come in.
So to really protect myself, let's say that I do run into somebody, and which never happens, but I run into somebody, and
Oh yeah, we'll never get in an accident.
yeah, I'm just like I never get in an accident. I don't need any of this stuff. Insurance, forget it.
Yeah.
So what should I really get? What would be a good comprehensive coverage, a sample?
Oh yeah,
that you'd
I would
recommend?
start minimum of 100,000, 300,000 limits of liability. Preferably 250,000, 500,000. So when you're talking to your agent, ask them to quote you those limits or see if you're insured for that. On coverage for your vehicle, comprehensive and collision, full coverage, I would start with at least a $500 deductible on both of those.
Okay. Now, are those rates set like universal throughout the insurance world? Or do different insurance agencies and companies offer different rates for the
Different
same
rates
type of
depending
coverage?
on the vehicle and the person's driving experience. So at American Family, what I might quote full coverage for you could be different than if you went to State Farm and got a quote. It's just how the calculations are done within the insurance agencies.
So what is something that might affect the quote? Like, would my credit score perhaps
Absolutely.
affect the quote?
And that's another misconception that people have. They think, well, my credit's not going to affect my insurance rates. Well, it absolutely does. They look at people with lower credit as a higher risk on the road.
Oh.
So if you can maintain a higher credit score, you're going to get a better insurance rate naturally.
That's
So
interesting.
that's something to think about.
Yeah. So in addition to like getting a home loan, buying a house or something, or even applying for a credit card, it's best to have a good credit score.
Absolutely.
That will help to lower your car insurance payment.